All right, so as it's set up right now, we have this microphone leading through a channel in here into the speaker. And what that allows us to do is it would just allow two of our DJs, which we usually have two, we can have one, doesn't matter, speak to their audience as they play music to them, talk to them if they want to.
Since I saw that there's a rock, I'm gonna somehow try to figure out, see if I could build like a mountain like type thing and put this on top.
Couldn't be no problem. Yeah, can't really trust none. Yeah.
To get a new fight.